Hello, my dear Elizas. Welcome to Eliza and Beauty. This is your favorite makeup entrepreneur, Ranjana Bhatia. Guys, today here I am with another amazing tutorial about the tips and tricks to start your startup or business easily. Or if you're already having a business or just started it, these tips will help you to grow to the next level. So guys, all of these tips and tricks, all of these details I have learned through my mistakes and the problems I faced during my setting of the startup. So today's topic is about labeling. Yes guys, labeling is an important part of a product market or product selling, and it can be costly, and it is costly. So after researching through a lot of things, Google search, through watching through a lot of videos of different types of brands, I have come out with a very budget friendly ideas of labeling your product. And I am changing my product labeling now. Initially I didn't know what to do with, but after having a lot of feedback, I'm going to change my product labeling and to make it better, and I will share that with you as well. So guys, labeling, you can do your labeling yourself. Like there are a lot of people doing this kind of business, like selling labels, making custom labels, and yeah, they charge a lot, and it's their creativity and hard work. So I'm not going there. So they can charge as according to their hard work and as well. But if you want to do cost cutting, so the first question that comes to your mind, that how to label your product at the initial stage of your business, right? And it has hampered a lot of business a lot, because labeling is as important as the product itself. Yeah, right. So the first step is to get the sticker paper. These are the sticker papers, and there are two types of sticker papers. These are the first one with the non-transparent background, all right, and another one is, I have recently discovered them, this paper with the transparent background. Usually I have gone through a lot of websites and apps where you can get the non-transparent stickers or labels for your products, but they are very costly. Like literally they charge approximately thousands of rupees for 20 to 25 stickers, right? And at this stage of business, it is very costly to me. So I have recently discovered a new thing, that is a water decal paper. You must have heard about it, all right? So it can give you a very transparent background. They are of two type. One, water decal paper itself are of two type. One is with transparent background and one is with non-transparent background, all right? So with the transparent background is called clear decal paper. So let me show you. So these are the water decal paper, and they look similar but they function differently, totally differently. I will go through each of the sticker paper one by one. Okay, so these are the one normal one, and you can get it from any stationery, and I got them for 150 rupees, 100 of pages, right? So you can get a lot of them from them, you can get a lot of labels from them. So you how to work on them: you create your logo, label, whatever you want, and print them. Okay, if you are having your own printer, good. If not, then go to cafe. And how to create your logo, there are different kind of software. I will go through in detail about that in the next video, all right? How to create your logo, how to find the perfect logo for your business, in the next video. Just now be with me, all right? But if you want a more transparent one, clear one logo, so you need to add the decal paper, water decal paper, because ordering or creating your sticker from a professional, especially the clear one, could be very costly. Trust me, if I'm saying costly, it is costly. You can use that money to something else. All right. So I have got my logo printed here. What you need to do is, first of all, you need to add a layer of acrylic spray, clear acrylic spray on them, so that, because it is water decal, you need to use water on the ink. So add a layer of clear acrylic acrylic spray on the logo, and then use them. I have this acrylic spray, so you can order it from online. I got them from online. All right, so a bit of spray and then layer it over your ink. All right, so this one, you can see it. Yeah, a bit of spray. Yeah, and layer it over your logo. All right, so you can do 2 to 3 layers so that they will become firm and will not come off when dipping in water. All right, so let me complete it now. So I have applied the 2 layers of acrylic spray on this water decal sheet. Now I will cut one and dip it in water, warm water, for 1 or 2 minutes. Then let's see how to apply it on my lip gloss tube. So let's cut it first. In the shape in which you want your logo to be applied on your product. All right, so let's do it. So let's dip it in the warm water, and after dipping in the water for 1 or 2 minutes, the back side of the decal sticker will come out automatically, and then we'll stick it on the lip gloss tube. So we will have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Update, guys, you don't need to dip it in water for 1 to 2. You just need to subtly dampen it, and then the sticker will automatically come out. So this is the sticker I have cut. I'm going to dampen it slightly with water. So let me show you guys. This is the sticker, and I will dampen it slightly. And for about 5 to 10 seconds it will come out automatically. All right, so we'll just have to wait now. See guys, it's coming off. Now I will apply it on the lip gloss tube. All right, so just wait. Yeah, it has come off, you can see that. Now I will apply it on the lip gloss tube. Just wait. So guys, this is what it look like after peeling off and applying it on the tube. You need to just peel it off and apply it. So it has come out very clearly, right guys? So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like my videos. Please do write in the comment section how are you liking my videos. If there is something I need to improve, I will definitely do it. So guys, for the next video I will be showing you how to make your logo or label. So till then, bye bye, sayonara, I love you.